Today we will be completing this achievement of a game badge, and the one that I will be using are from my Detroit Become Human. So first, let's go to the game Detroit, this one. And as you could have seen, I have completed all the trading cards, and you can actually get them by playing the game, but you will not be able to get all of them. So you would have to buy them from the market, like eh, this one. I have bought that one, and now we will be crafting a badge. So in order to craft a badge, you can go to the badges, and then look, it says ready, and now you can craft a badge. So also notified that you something from the inventory badge, and then a city landscape. So let us check about the badges. Now it's gone. In order to buy more, you can just go to this and then search the market. Unfortunately, I cannot search the market now, I think. Oh, it works. Here you can buy them at for 548. You can also sell your duplicate or dupes, this one, and check whether I have really finished it. There are more no badges. I also finished the community leader thingy. So I finished the achievement. Create a badge. That's all. Thank you.